myself Venkat. So actually cervical spondylitis C5 C6 C7 sir. Disc space issue తో వచ్చాను సార్ యాక్చువల్గా.
Healing Edge.
టర్న్ అవుతారా? Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. తిప్పుతారా? No problem. Left. We have come a long way, huh?
Yes, this is okay sir. This side.
Okay. In the beginning, how much were you able to turn when you came first day?
Yeah, this much only.
Huh?
Yeah, only this much.
Only this much, kada? And there was a lot of pain, excruciating pain.
Exactly.
Right, lo? Enta?
Right, everything is fine sir. I think.
And you were not even straight. Now you're looking straight.
Myself Venkat. So actually cervical spondylitis C5 C6 C7 sir. Disc space issue తో వచ్చాను సార్ యాక్చువల్గా. But before that I didn't know about this particular treatment. One of my well-wisher actually, his name is Mr. Shan. He told me that, of knowing my health condition, and he told me that chiropractic is the best treatment. They will heal your problem in a natural way. Then, so I was searching in Hyderabad actually. So then I got to know this particular institution, especially about you, sir. The way you are treating the patients and resolving the issues. Then, myself and my wife, we have visited here. And ఇది నాకు 6th session సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో ఇనిషియల్లీ I went for allopathy and orthopedic and neurosurgeon even, and they told me I have to go for surgery because the severeness was more actually. Then I was little worried, and so luckily I came here. And of course initially I was nervous actually here when the treatment was happening, because everything is happening from outside, and how can we'll get to know the inside the condition actually. I was in that perception. But when the sessions are happening, I was getting confidence actually in myself actually. So then this is my 6th session, and I am feeling better actually.
How did you feel the second session? First session, second session?
Second session, yeah, of course it was nervous only. And of course sir, yeah, right, he was observing me.
That's why I was asking.
Yeah, and even now
After 3 sessions he didn't believe. I could see it on his face.
yes sir, yeah,
He's just contemplating, what am I doing, what am I getting into?
exactly, yeah.
And after the 4th session he changes.
Exactly sir.
He became from frowning to smiling.
Yeah,
He became.
exactly,
He
yeah.
started coming smiling.
Yes sir, exactly.
So now where are we?
Yeah, I can say that 90-95% I have recovered. So little discomfortness is there, and I feel like eventually even that will also heal. And I am really thankful for your treatment, sir. And I can say,
We are here to do that.
yeah. And money is a secondary thing actually, but only thing is what I really like here. The natural way of healing, sir, actually. So that's really helpful actually. If I go for allopathy, there will be getting side effects if you go for if you use the medicines and all. And here that's not a problem actually.
So now you heard from this gentleman, he said he was suggested for surgery. It is not that surgeries are bad. Surgery is needed when it's actually required. Not every case is a surgery case. So only when you give an alternate therapy, you will know whether it is required or not. So you should give it a try. After giving it a try, if it is not getting healed, then you can go for a surgery if it is really mandatory. Otherwise, there's always a way. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kada?
Yes, sir. Yeah.